Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 147 Brandwood Park Road, which is a 3-bedroom property with no onward chain. Moving into the property, we've got the hallway and stairs leading up to the first floor. And then we have the main reception room here with a bay window facing towards the front aspect. Good sized room. And then through to the kitchen. And into the dining room. From here we have an aspect overlooking the rear garden. And from the kitchen we also have a storeroom here and toilet, and then a door side leading through to the garden. And then on to the first floor landing. We have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor. Starting with the first bedroom here. Really good size with 2 windows facing towards the front of the property. And then bedroom 2. Further built-in wardrobe. And again, good size room. From here, we can see the rear aspect. Across to bedroom 3. Into the bathroom, where we have a bath with electric shower above. And just moving outside into the rear garden, so a really good size out here. There's also attached brick built storeroom. And that concludes this online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.